Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Allah and I teach Levantine Arabic language, and you can check out all my information underneath the video. This is mainly recorded for or on YouTube, but I will share it on my podcast as well. I'm trying to do my podcast on all other platforms and new platforms, so it's not mainly on Spotify, it's other ones as well. Okay, just gonna start. It's a short, it's not a story, it's like a conversation. It's going to be about the weather. It's very simple, very basic, really short. It's going to go over adjectives about the weather and the season's names, and how we say dates. So I'm just going to read it and then I'll break it down for you. I would just read it without sharing the screen, because it's very short, and if you are in a stage that you can understand a little bit, you can see it and listen and see how much you can understand, and then I'm going to share it with you and break it down. Okay, so let's get started. Please, for my YouTube viewers, check out my underneath the video. It has so many information, email. I teach one-on-one. Let me know if you are interested and other things, and please subscribe. Okay, let's start. So هلا احنا بفصل خريف. الجو عندنا بلوس أنجلوس شوب، بس كان برد ومطر قبل يومين. فصل الشتاء رح يبلش ب21/12 ورح يخلص بشهر 3. الصيف هون كتير شوب وبتصير درجة الحرارة عالية كتير، والشتاء عادة ما بيكون برد كتير. So that's it. So now let me share it and break it down with you. Let me share the screen. This one. Okay. So هلا إحنا بفصل الخريف. So watch how we do the adjectives here. In English, we would say the fall season. So in Arabic, we are going to switch. So فصل الخريف, the fall season. Oh my gosh, here it's supposed to be هلا. هلا means now. We are إحنا بفصل خريف. So now we are in the fall season. الجو عنا. So here عنا basically means, I'm gonna write it down here. عنا. This story or this conversation is basically the way we speak, right? This is how we say words. But now when we break it down and do the appropriate way of saying things, عنا is the same as, or basically is this one. عندنا. So most of the time we don't say we actually don't say عندنا. It's really hard to say noon and dal, you know, following each other. عندنا. It's hard. So instead of saying عندنا, we say عنا. It's much easier. So that's what's happening right here. So الجو عنا, the weather we have in Los Angeles. So there's B, which means at or in. Los Angeles shop. So the weather here where we are, or what we have, is shop, hot. Shop means hot, but it's for weather. So I have a student, they asked me, like, if the food was hot, can we say shop? No, it's for weather. It's not for, it's a different word for food or for touching surfaces or touching things. The word for hot is different. In that case, the word hot means سخن, but for weather, the word hot means شوب. Okay, بس كان برد ومطر قبل يومين. But كان, it was برد ومطر قبل يومين, 2 days ago. برد ومطر, برد means cold, مطر means rain. So كان, and the reason we use can here, because if we did not use can, it says بس برد ومطر. Wait, بس برد ومطر قبل يومين. We need a verb to, so the sentence is about the past. It's 2 days ago. So we need can to help making the sentence as a past tense. It's not present tense. Like if I said bas bardu matar, it basically means it's cold and rain. If I said bas kan bardu matar, it was rain and cold. So can would help the sentence if it does not have a verb to make it as a past tense. Okay, the next one. فصل الشتاء راح يبلش ب21/12. So فصل الشتاء, the winter season. Shita basically it's supposed to be الشتاء, but again this is the way we speak, so we don't say الشتاء, we just say shita. So فصل الشتاء راح will يبلش, present tense. If you watch my present tense episode, that would help. يبلش refers to the الشتاء, which is masculine. So راح يبلش will start be in 21/12. The way we say months in Arabic is, or dates is, you say the date and then the month. So 21/12. وراح يخلص بشهر 3 and will end, present tense here, present tense, راح يخلص بشهر 3. So also this is how we say the months. We say months. شهر 3 means March. الصيف هون كتير شوب. Summer here is very hot. We can also say الصيف هون شوب كتير, because you learned that adjectives usually come after, so we can keep it this way. Although for the word كتير, for some reason, most of the time, we just use it before, but doesn't matter. Both are correct here in this situation. So الصيف هون شوب كتير وبتصير درجة الحرارة, so the temperature becomes very high, عالية كتير, very high. والشتاء عادة ما بيكون برد كتير. Do you see how I used كتير after everything instead of before? Because basically كتير is an adjective, and adjective usually comes after. So الصيف هون شوب كتير, the summer here is very hot, and درجة الحرارة, the temperature becomes very high, عالية كتير. والشتاء عادة, the winter usually ما بيكون برد كتير, is not very cold. Okay, so this is the story. So you learned some vocabularies here, like seasons. Kharif is fall. Saif is summer. Here. Shita is winter. And since we are here, I'm gonna add spring, which is Rabi'. Spring. So these are the 4 seasons. You learned the word fasl, which means season, right? And you learned bird. I'm gonna highlight these together. Bird, matar, shub, okay. So these are the words. The reason I highlighted them for you, it's easier for you if you want to like memorize them. That would help, like bird, matar, shub, kharif, saif, rabi', shita, fasl. So these are good words to learn and remember for weather. Okay. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Since we are in fall and now sometimes it's really hot, sometimes it's really cold. So I guess it's a good conversation to have these days. So I hope this helps. And if you like it, please subscribe, and let me know if you would like more content or specific content. I'll be more than happy to do it for you. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.